By the way, you may hear a lot of noise in the background, sort of wind and rain, because it's a rather stormy day here in Salt Lake when we're filming this today. But that's sort of the nice thing about Tai Chi, is that it's a form of exercise you can do in any kind of weather, indoors or outdoors, and you'll still get a wonderful workout, as you'll see when you learn the rest of the sequence. You'll see what a great workout you get. All right, now that we know how to go 2 steps forward and back with ball-holding cat stance on each side, we'll learn the first of the Tai Chi moves that we put in between ball-holding cat stance. This is called brush knee and push, and it's a martial arts move from the on-guard position of ball-holding cat stance. First, the left hand turns down, heel step. We shift forward into bow stance, the left hand brushes the knee, the right hand pushes. Then we form the ball on the left side, and we do it on the other side. The right hand turns down, heel step, right hand brushes knee, left hand pushes, and then we form the ball on the right. Now, let me explain to you the martial arts application of this move. Supposing we have an opponent over here who is trying to kick us. For instance, I would be standing here if I were the opponent, and let's say I were kicking like that. A kick. Well, if I'm here protecting myself against that, my left hand turns down. I knock that kick aside with the left hand. This is the movement called brush knee, because the hand brushes around the outside of the knee. The left hand turns down to block the kick, knocks the kick aside, and then, when that happens, the opponent, after we knock the kick aside, the opponent is turned like this, and then we push them in the shoulder and knock them over. So it goes like this. Block the kick, push the opponent. Let's do just the arm movements here of brush, knee, and push. From ball holding position on the right, with the right hand on top. First thing that has to happen, and it's easy to forget this, is you have to turn your left palm down so that you're going to be able to block that kick. Then the left hand sweeps down, knocks the kick aside, and as that happens, the right hand pushes forward. Now notice, my upper body twists at the waist. Left hand turns down. Brush knee, upper body twists as I push. I'm not leaning forward, that's the point, is I don't lean into the push like that. Because if I did that and somehow the opponent grabbed my hand, the opponent could pull me forward like that off balance very easily. So I keep my upper body vertical. From ball holding position, the left hand turns down. I knock the kick aside, and then I push with the right hand. Then I have to form the ball on the left side. So I need to bring my left hand which is down below, bring it up to the top, circle the right hand down, and form the ball on the left side. In order to do brush, knee, and push on the other side, right hand turns down. Knock the kick aside with the right hand, push with the left hand. All right, so let's take just that much, the arm work. Ball holding with the right hand on top, left hand turns down to block the kick. Left hand blocks the kick, right hand pushes. Then this lower hand comes up to form the top of the ball. The upper hand circles down to form the bottom of the ball. Then the other side. Right hand turns down, brush, knee, and push. And form the ball on the right. Now let's put this together with the footwork. From ball holding cat stance on the right side with the left foot in cat stance, first thing is left hand turns down to block the kick. Then left leg straightens in heel step. The weight still stays back on the right leg. As we shift the weight forward onto the left leg, that's when we do the brush knee and push move. Shift forward to bow stance. At the same time, block the kick and push. The weight stays forward on the left leg. We bring the left hand up to form the top of the ball. Right hand forms the bottom of the ball. And we bring the right foot up to cat stance. Let's take just that much again. From balanced position, shift right into ball holding cat stance. Left hand turns down to block the kick. Left foot heel step. Shift forward into bow stance, block the kick, and push. Stay forward on the left leg, form the ball with the left hand on top, and bring the right foot to cat stance. Turn the body slightly to the right. Right hand turns down. Right foot heel step. Right hand blocks the kick, left hand pushes. Right hand comes up to form the top of the ball, left foot in cat stance. And down to balanced position. Let's take that one more time. 2 steps forward. From balanced position, brush knee and push. Shift right, ball holding cat stance, left foot in cat. Left hand turns down to block the kick, left foot heel step. Left hand brushes knee, right hand pushes as we shift forward into bow stance. Form the ball with the left hand on top and bring the right foot into cat stance. Turn slightly to the right, turn the right hand down. Right foot heel step. Shift forward to bow stance, right hand blocks the kick, left hand pushes. Stay forward on the right leg, form the ball with the right hand on top, left foot in cat. Now let's practice brush knee and push, taking 2 steps forward as we look in the mirror. From balanced position, let's do traditional opening, sinking down. Ball holding cat stance on the right, left hand turns down, heel step, brush knee and push, form the ball with the left hand on top, right foot comes to cat. Right hand turns down, right foot heel step, brush knee and push, form the ball on the right, and down to balanced position. Let's do that one more time. Take 2 steps back. Traditional opening, hands float up. Bend your knees, sink down a little bit. Shift onto your right leg, form the ball with the right hand on top, left foot comes to cat. 2 steps forward. Left hand turns down, heel step. Left hand brushes knee, right hand pushes. Left hand comes up to form the top of the ball, right foot in cat. Right hand turns down, heel step. Right hand brushes knee, left hand pushes. Bring the right hand up to form the top of the ball and down to balanced position. Very good.